This is house 6067. It's a Hanover II, 1860 square foot with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and an office. These are going to be Pella Impervia doors. So this has black on the inside and the outside. You have 3 choices. You can choose Encompass, you can choose Impervia, and you can choose Lifestyle. Lifestyle would be wood, Encompass would be white, Impervia can be wood or white. This house does have casement windows. And the countertops are going to be chosen later. This house is still under construction, but nearly finished. And you can see it at the open house in Minden this Saturday from 10 to 3. These are the Lexington doors, so I'm going to close up on it with birch, briarwood stain. It's a gray subway tile. This will be your second bathroom. Plenty of space on that vanity. This does have a linen closet on the inside. And it's really nice when you add these wood shelves. It really is quite impressive every time I open a door and see all wood shelves that match versus Closet Made or melamine. Here's the laundry. This definitely has enough cabinets in it. There's where your washer and dryer will go. The opening down below is great for laundry bins. Nice large sink. And this is a black pre-finished door. You can pay to have that as an upgrade to pre-finish the color. And I must say, in person, it is very well finished. Cubbies. This is going to be a pantry. You could choose to have 1 or 2 windows in one of the extra bedrooms. Bypass versus bifold doors. That's a decision you'll make for each bedroom's closet. Go into another bedroom. So the kids' bedrooms, extra bedrooms, are on the opposite side of the master in this plan. You can have built-in shelves here. You could have a desk here. You can also go onto our floor plan pages and see tours I've done for previous Hanover IIs, because I've done a lot of them. Again, another pre-finished black door. You could finish that out with shelves if you choose not to have a coat rack in that section. That could be a second pantry that I just showed you. This is the master. Those 3 windows above the bed are really nice, and definitely there's a lot of light in this bedroom. Definitely enough windows in here. You can choose to have a double vanity or a single. I must say this probably does have enough room to leave your extra stuff if you did want the double. A little half wall there to separate the toilet. Standard shower. You can choose to do an onyx-based shower in this section. Here is your linen with the nice wood shelves. And here's your closet. I'm going to take some time to go around here to kind of show you so you can get an idea if this is the way that you would choose to lay it out. Double, single. You've got your window. Below your window is some shelving. And the homes are shipped with all the lighting inside. That's why you see that there. And here is a reason why you would choose this plan maybe over some other plans, because it's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and an office. Albeit a small office, it's an office space or a playroom or whatever you may choose, craft room that you may choose to do with that space. But that would be a reason. You could certainly take it out if you love the floor plan and you want more space in your dining area. You could certainly add that space in.